You wake up every morning with the best intentions but never follow through. Why is discipline failing you? What if I told you it's not your fault? For years you've been told, just be disciplined. The truth, traditional discipline is broken. It's designed for robots, not humans. That's why it fails, and why most quit before they start. Discipline is not about willpower. It's about environment, mindset, and invisible habits. Habits that either make you succeed or break you. Here's the trap. You think discipline is self-control. You think you need to fight yourself every day. You start with intensity. Within weeks, your energy is drained. Motivation dies. You feel like a failure. Discipline punishes. Discipline relies on fear. Fear rarely lasts. But there's a secret method that makes discipline almost effortless, and it doesn't involve willpower. Your brain isn't lazy. It's wired for survival. It wants comfort. It wants instant rewards. It avoids pain. Every time you force yourself to act against it, you trigger resistance. That's why just pushing through fails. Discipline fails because it fights biology. And fighting biology is a losing battle unless you hack it. Here are 3 hidden reasons discipline fails. Reason 1, motivation fades. Discipline relies on high energy and emotion. Both are temporary. Reason 2, habits are weak. Without systems, discipline is one-time force, not a lifestyle. Reason 3, environment overpowers willpower. You can't outgrit a toxic environment. Your surroundings shape you more than your mindset. The solution isn't working harder, it's working smarter. It all begins with understanding the hidden architecture of behavior. Discipline is actually a byproduct, not a cause. The real game changer is to design your environment and build tiny habits that guide your actions. Create systems that do the work for you. Step 1. Remove friction and increase cues for good habits. Step 2. Focus on 1% improvement daily. Step 3. Create reward loops to train your brain to crave positive actions. When you do this, discipline stops being a battle. It becomes automatic. Look at top performers. They don't rely on brute force discipline. They rely on systems that work in the background to support their progress. The proven pattern. Environment comes first, tiny habits come second, and heroic effort comes last. Discipline is failing you, not because you're weak, but because you've been playing the wrong game all along. Switch the game. Build the right systems. Design your environment. Harness tiny habits. Success isn't a battle, it's inevitable. Stop fighting and start designing. Discipline isn't the key, systems are. Start today. Your future self will thank you. And if this message hit you, subscribe. Watch the next video. It is connected to this one.